Extra virgin olive oil is made from pure cold-pressed olives. This olive oil is extracted during the first pressing of olives. Due to this, it retains its natural antioxidants and vitamins, which are often lost during processing. Extra virgin olive oil has the taste and aroma of olives. How to make cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. In general, cold pressing means that no extra heat is used to extract the olive oil in the process. There are legislations on what terms can be used on a bottle of olive oil and what criteria the oil needs to fulfill. According to the legislation, extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil cannot exceed a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius during the process. If the temperature gets any higher, the oil would not be legally able to use the term on a label. 80% olive oils are fake in the market. So, let me tell you how to identify extra virgin olive oil. Number 1. Choose one that comes in a light blocking bottle. Light is the enemy of olive oil. Even light from fluorescent lamps, let alone sunlight, can cause deterioration. In other words, any honest producer would bottle their extra virgin olive oil in dark-colored bottles or stainless steel bottles to protect its quality. It is best to avoid oils that come in light-colored bottles or plastic bottles. Why should you avoid plastic bottles? Plastic leaches into food. It's been proven. And if you've heard of oil pulling in oral care, you also know that oils have the quality to pull toxins. Any product in plastic is bad, but oil is even worse. Number 2. Harvest date. Look for a harvest date. Olive oil is a fruit juice, and as such, it gets dull tasting around 12 months, and has certainly gone bad by 18 months. Number 3. See price. It is estimated that 15 to 50 kilograms of olives can be harvested from one olive tree, and 3 to 10 liters of olive oil can be made. Only a very small number of these oils are recognized as extra virgin olive oil. Since it is such a rare oil, it takes a lot of corporate effort to sell it cheaply. And there are very few such products. If you want to be sure you're buying the real thing, it's not to buy anything that costs less than 2 cents per milliliter. Which means the price of 500 milliliters is $10 and the price of 1,000 milliliters is $20. How much did you buy your olive oil? We discussed the top 5 extra virgin olive oils in the previous video. If you want to watch it, you can click the I button or the link in the description. And stay with us by subscribing our channel to get such videos. Number 4. Color of extra virgin olive oil. Good extra virgin olive oils can be green or golden. However, the two oil styles can differ. A green color can suggest a robust tasting oil that gives your throat a pleasant tickle when you swallow the oil. A golden oil might be delicate, buttery and mild in profile. Number 5. Check if acidity is below 0.8%. To be certified as extra virgin olive oil by the International Olive Council, IOC, the acidity must be below 0.8%. So check the bottle for this statement. In English, the notation acid or acidity should be a landmark. Number 6. Organic certification. The organic certification mark guarantees that a product is produced without the use of chemical fertilizers or pesticides. But if you see this mark on the bottle, you can say that it is a reliable organic olive oil. Extra virgin olive oils are certified by USDA Organic, Non-GMO Project, Kosher, and Carbon Footprint, etc. Number 7. Won awards. Choose an oil that has won awards at competitions, such as Los Angeles International Extra Virgin Olive Oil Competition and the New York International Olive Oil Competition, etc. Number 8. Tasting. Genuine extra virgin olive oil is made by simply squeezing the olive fruit, which is the juice, so it has a strong fruit flavor and is smooth and refreshing. If you know the taste of the real thing and try to taste it carefully, you won't end up buying fake products. Please let me know by commenting. What brand of olive oil do you use? Does your olive oil match this characteristic? And yes, if you think the video is informative, please like it and share with your friends. The taste, aroma, and beauty and health benefits of real and fake products are completely different. If you want to have a healthy body while enjoying food, please be particular about purchasing genuine extra virgin olive oil. Once you taste the quality, you will no longer think that fake products are okay. Thanks for watching.